Welcome. In front of me is an Honor 200 Smart, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, we're gonna hold our power button. Ignore Gemini if it shows up. Just keep on holding. From here, select power off. Give the device like solid 5 to 10 seconds after the screen turns black, and from there we're gonna then hold power button and the volume up at the same time. Now when the Honor logo shows up on the screen, let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up till we are taken to the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here you just want to simply select clear data and then wipe cache partition. This goes through a very quick wipe, and there we go, it's already finished. Once it is, we're going to click on back, restart, and this will reboot the device and bring us back to our Android system. So I'm going to let it boot up and come back once that's finished. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.